Good morning. Welcome everyone to the first Energy Technology Transfer and Workforce Development webinar. I'm Liz Rozell, and right now I have the title of Director of this initiative, affectionately called the Energy TT&WD. I'm not quite sure how this happened, as I'm the retired Vice President of Instruction from Bakersfield College and was also a former engineering faculty and department chair. What I do know is that I'm really excited to see how the energy sector is expanding in Kern County with innovative collaborations. Let me start by introducing our core partners for this collaboration with Kern Community College District. The National Renewable Energy Laboratories, NREL for short, has the technical expertise in understanding how research and technology transfer is developing. Our core NREL team advising and guiding us includes Scott Haase, Executive Manager, State and Local Strategic Partnerships, Ellen Morris, Director, University Partnerships Program, Owen Cinnamon, Senior Researcher, Policy Analysis. I'm very excited to announce that we have a fully executed Memorandum of Understanding between National Renewable Energy Laboratories and Kern Community College District, Bakersfield College, to coordinate on collaborative activities that support the workforce development, technology transfer, research, innovation, outreach, and analysis for expansion opportunities in the energy sector. We also have a great partnership with Kern County, working with Lorelei Oviatt, Director of Planning and Natural Resources, and a new recruit to the team, Teresa Hitchcock, Assistant County Administrative Officer. Today's webinar is divided into two sessions, and we should be wrapped up by 11:15 a.m. The first session highlights leaders with a vested interest in energy who will provide their perspective on the intersection of this program with their energy concerns. The second session is a moderated conversation between representatives from the three core partners: Sonia Christian, President of Bakersfield College representing the Kern Community College District, Dave Mooney, Executive Director, Institutional Planning, Integration, and Development representing NREL, and Lorelei Oviatt, Director of Planning and Natural Resources representing Kern County. At this point, I will begin by providing the lineup of speakers for session one. Please go to the webinar website to read the full bios of today's speakers. Tom Burke is our esteemed Chancellor of the Kern Community College District, who will be giving introductory remarks for this webinar. Leticia Perez is the chair of the Kern County Board of Supervisors and has been an early cheerleader for the development of the Energy TT&WD program. She is also the first woman to be chair of the Board of Supervisors, which is particularly special since this year marks the 100th anniversary of the ratification of the 19th Amendment. Dave Mooney is Executive Director, Institutional Planning, Integration, and Development at the National Renewable Energy Laboratories in Golden, Colorado. He provides a national perspective on the research and integration of renewable and efficiency technologies into the existing energy infrastructure. Kathy Reese-Boyd is President of the Western States Petroleum Association, overseeing the trade organization's operations and advocacy in 5 Western states: California, Arizona, Nevada, Washington, and Oregon. Back in the day, she worked with Getty Oil and Texaco here in Bakersfield, California. Sarah Kurtz is a professor of material science and engineering at UC Merced, where she's working on optimizing battery storage and a variety of other studies related to energy transition. Prior to her life at UC Merced, she worked at NREL for more than 30 years. We'll close the presentation out with Richard Chapman, CEO of the Kern Economic Development Corporation, who will give a KEDC outlook of the energy industry in Kern County and outline the importance of this collaborative. At the end of the webinar, there will be a short 2-minute survey for webinar participants to provide feedback. Please take the time to complete this survey so we can make these webinars as efficient and effective as possible, containing relevant content. We are happy you joined us this morning and cannot wait for you to hear from all of the panelists today.